We're going to go ahead and remove these nuts. Now with my butt connector, go ahead and put it all the way in. This would be a 10mm. Hey guys, so today I'm getting this utility trailer ready for my mom. She's moving from Florida up to Tennessee, and I'm just going through it, making my rounds, making sure it's all copacetic. So I went ahead and I did the bearings a couple months ago, so I know the bearings are good. But what I went ahead and did, here, real quick, I'm just going to show y'all what we're working with. So it's a 7 by, I believe it's 12, 7 by 12 utility trailer. Nothing special, nothing crazy, right? So we started with some new chains right there, moved down, put some new reflective stickers on it. Got some brand new tires, very important. You got any kind of dry rot on your tires, so the dry rot will come in the crack, and you'll see little cracks right here. What'll happen with that dry rot is this tread will separate from the tire and it'll flap up, and yeah, bad things happen. Bad things happen when you lose your tread. That's all that stuff that you like try and avoid on the freeway. Those tires, that's the tread. So check your tires for dry rot. Check your lights. Now I do have a light issue. One of my lights here is busted. So that's what we're gonna do today, is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna show you all how to change out that trailer light. All right, guys. So these are some things that you're gonna need to change out a trailer light. First things first, the new light right here, okay? Then we'll move over to these heat shrink butt connectors. These are marine grade heat shrink butt connectors. They have an adhesive inside of them. These are not necessary. I'm a charter boat captain and I have a ton of these because I do my own wiring. So then we're gonna need a 10mm wrench, a crimping device, our heat gun, and our wire stripper, which is right here. I got this guy from Harbor Freight. This thing is awesome. I mean, it has its limitations, but for the most part, you put your wires up in there, pulls it apart. I'll go ahead and demonstrate real quick. All right, guys, so hit that like and subscribe button. So these wire strippers from Harbor Freight are pretty cool. All you do is you just put it in there, put your wire in between those jaws, just like so. The one side clamps down, the other side's gonna cut it. Boop. Pretty nifty little things. You can also do 2 wires at one time with this. Boom. Pretty cool little tool. Y'all should check that out. They've got the crimpers on there. I'm not too crazy about these crimpers, but it's got a cutter there. Pretty cool little tool. All right, first things first, guys, with changing this out, we're gonna go ahead and remove these nuts. All right, we're gonna hold on to them because I lost the ones that I have for the new light. Cutters. Now just cut the wires, make sure it's not plugged in. You got power, because you'll blow the fuse if you cut that and you have power going to it. All right, guys, so we got the old electrical tape off of our wires here, so we're gonna go ahead and strip off some little section here for our butt connectors. You want to twist this stranded wire. You want to twist that stranded wire real tight, otherwise it won't hold in the butt connector real well. Now with my butt connector, go ahead and put it all the way in, little twist. Now I'm gonna go up on that small setting, the smallest setting I can. Nice pinch, nice tug. That's not going anywhere. That is solid, good deal. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side over here as well. All right, now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna feed my wires through this hole here. Up. Put those bad boys on there. What I did is I got this little excess here. Open it up a little bit. Twist it tight. I'm gonna throw it around the light mounting bolt on the back side of the actual flat washer. All right guys, so when you're tightening this down and you're doing it this way, you don't want to wrench this down all the way stupid tight because it'll cut your wire. Make sure you guys twist that strand wire nice and tight. That guy down. So now they're ready for that heat gun. Butt connectors are nice and heat shrink together, watertight. And there it is. That completes the install of our trailer lights. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching and have a blessed day.